Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been a long time. After around 140 days, I'm back with a new video, and today I'll be taking you to the waterfall here in Udalguri, which is near Bhairabkunda. And a lot of my friends have seen a photo in Facebook, and they have been asking me where that place is. So today I'm going to take you to that place, and I'll tell you which way to go, and also what are the things that you can see there, and what are the things that you can do there. So on the way to Bhairabkunda, you'll see this old office room, Ministry of Home Affairs Foreign Check Post. So after that, you have to take left. As you can see, my friends are going left. So this way, and after that, I'll show you. And actually, there are 3 waterfalls. Just before reaching the spot, you'll get Savio English School on the way, and from there you can take left too. So right now, we'll be going to the first waterfall. There are total 3 waterfalls, so we'll be going to the first one now.
Reaching up from the ground, trying to not think about you, whilst you're in my mind, screaming loud.
So guys, as you can see there, that's the second number waterfall, and on the upstream you can find the first one, and in the downstream you can find the third one, and I haven't visited the third one, so today I might go to third one. But first, let us go to the first one, and it's very picturesque. The place, the landscape is very beautiful, so I'll be going to the first one now. So when you reach this canal, this bridge, you can take just after crossing you can take right, and then this will lead you to the first one. And after reaching at
Searching for a reason, came out looking to throw me around, but I'll be holding on forever. You won't bring me
So you'll reach a bridge. 3 of them are here. You can see it from the way. And you have to take the first bridge and then take immediate right after crossing the bridge. You can see them going. These are my friends. So that's Tinku waiting for me. So you have to take right just after crossing the bridge, and you'll be reaching the waterfall. And I will tell you the name of the waterfall when I reach there. And please do not take the name as negative, because the name sounds somewhat like a slang. Road is very bad. If you want to come to the first waterfall, then the road is very bad. You can see it. So guys, we have reached a waterfall, and that's behind me, and today it's totally crowded. So it was like unexplored. Most of us, even me, I didn't know about this waterfall, but just yesterday I came to know about this waterfall, and now I have reached, and I'll show you. Pardo. So guys, we are moving out of the waterfall and going towards the hydroelectricity project, which has been suspended, you can say something like that, because it has not been completed till now. So we are moving towards that, and I'm going to show you the view of that place. It's very close to the waterfall. You can see that's the waterfall, that the river that you see flowing, that is the waterfall. And from here we are going down. So right now I'm walking towards the hydroelectricity project, and behind me you can see that massive walls. That one, yeah, this one and this one. So I'm going towards that. Somewhat like cave, okay, and maybe someone was here. There's a nice place to, I think you can camp here too. This is a very beautiful place, you can see that. So maybe you can camp here, and you can see this. They have actually planted flowers here, and then you can see the camp here, the cave. Let me go inside. I'm alone actually. Look at this, man. Look at this. So you can spend your night here maybe if you're coming here. देखो ना भाई, केव जैसा है यहाँ पे. किसने ये प्लास्टिक वास्टिक लगा के ये बना के रखा हुआ है? Maybe someone stays here. बिबारबो गायनाय दं बेनोथ'. ओमफ्राय नुवाखै बियो punching bag, homemade. It's filled with jungles. थाङाखै दिनै फैदों. थांफेराखै दिनै फैदों आरो ना. Look at this, guys. So this is the Dhansri hydroelectricity project. Machines don't turbine ni maba biya. This is what the turbine is supposed to be, but this project has not been completed. So look at it. And I think the number 3 fall is better than this one, because you can see here it is covered by jungle, totally covered by jungle. I cannot go further from this place because there might be a snake or something like that. So I would recommend you to visit the number 3 fall, and the name of the waterfall is Dhansri Hydro Project Chut Fall. So don't take it as negative, okay? Do not take this name as negative. Okay, it's a slang in Hindi. The Chut, that is slang in Hindi, but that is the name given for this fall. So this is it, and I might be going to the number 3 fall. There are total 3 falls here, so I might be going there, and I have to be careful here because it's totally covered by jungle. Oh, I hope it will be completed, and as most of us from Udalguri, we have been facing power problem right now. Like every time there's a load shedding and all these things. So I hope it will be made very soon. And you can see the massive walls, man. Massive walls behind me. You can see the top of the screen. On the top of the screen, you can see the wall. This one. It's very tall. So guys, that is the waterfall behind me, and I'm leaving this place right now. And sorry I could not show you the whole place, but I have seen some of my friends posting video on number 3 waterfall. So I'm sure if you visit the number 3 waterfall, then you can visit that place. Here it was totally covered by jungle, so I could not show you. So I'm very sorry. So if you visit number 3 waterfall, I'm sure that you can visit, you can see the hydroelectricity project here, over here in the Dhansri project. So thank you for watching the vlog, and bye bye.
Nang dia bersenang deh.
Dia menang, Bang.